Hey, if you want to pair Samsung Galaxy Buds Free with any Samsung device, like for example this Samsung S21 FE phone, first of all you will have to input both earbuds inside the case and you will have to open it. Then click and hold this button and wait until this indicator starts changing colors. Just like this. Now you can release this pairing button, keep that case open with both earbuds inside, and if you have this notification you can just click connect. But if you doesn't have it, you can just go into the settings, open connections, then turn on Bluetooth on your device. Next, open Bluetooth settings, and from available device, select Galaxy Buds Free. You will have to accept the pairing request, and now you will get this automatic download of Galaxy wearable application. So you will have to actually accept everything. And by the way, you will have to be connected into the Wi-Fi or mobile data, because without this you will don't have this automatic download of a Galaxy application. In this step you are able to sign in into your Samsung account, so you can actually connect to other devices that are also signed into this account, or you can find your lost earbuds even when they are not connected to your phone. But I'm gonna skip this step. Right here we've got some kind of the diagnostic data. We can agree to software updates, automatic software updates, and agree to updates for Galaxy wearable application. But I would like to unselect everything, and I'm gonna click continue, accept now every permission for contacts, notifications, phone calls, and as you can see right now it's finished. So yeah, there we go. Please subscribe to my channel.